Hi everybody, today I am going to represent my lecture about Raoult stability criterion, the basic concepts of Raoult stability criterion. Raoult stability criterion is based on ordering of coefficients of the characteristic equation into an array called Raoult's array. Suppose this is the characteristic equation of a system. Qs equal to S0 Sn plus A1 Sn minus 1 plus A2 Sn minus 2 and up to An equal to 0. It follows the array which is called Raoult's array. The array is s to the power n. When s to the power n, the coefficients will be even numbers a0, a2, a4 and a6 and so on. Sn minus 1 means odd numbers, a1, odd numbers of coefficients a1, a3, a5, a7 and so on. Okay. Sn minus 2 is a1, a2 minus a0, a3 by a1 equal to, we say b1. b3 is a1, a4 minus a0, a5 by a1 and b5 is a1, a6 minus a0, a7 divided by a1. Okay. Similarly, Sn minus 3 is b1, a3 minus a1, b3 by b1 and c3 is b1, a5 minus a1, b5 by b1 and so on. Sn minus 4 is we called d1, means c1 b3 minus b1 c3 by c1 and so on. And similarly we get s2, s1, s0. s2 we say e1, s1 we say f1, s0 we say e1. In case of s0 we get only coefficient, the constant term is an. Okay. This is called Raoult's array. According to Raoult's array, we determine if the system is stable or not. Okay. This is the relationships are given here. Now, according to Raoult's stability criterion, a system is to be stable if follows the necessary conditions. Name of the coefficients of the characteristic equation should be missing or 0. Okay. All the coefficients should be real and should have same sign. Look at the Raoult's array. Here all the coefficients are real value. Look at this. All the coefficients are real value and should be in same sign. Okay. Then the system is stable. So the sufficient conditions for a system to be stable is that each term of the first column of Raoult's array be positive and should have same sign. Then the system is called stable. In Raoult's array, first column of Raoult's array, all the coefficients are real and should have same sign. If there is arise in negative sign, all are in positive sign. If there is an arise in any portion, there is arise negative sign, there is sign change, one sign change of the first column, so the system is unstable. So the system is stable in Raoult's array, according to Raoult's array, if all the coefficients are in the first column should be have same sign and real. So the system is called stable system. Limitations of Raoult's stability criterion. It is valid only if the characteristic equation is algebraic. If characteristic equation like this, algebraic equation, only at that case Raoult's stability criterion follows, otherwise not. This is the limitation of Raoult's stability criterion. Number second, if any coefficient of the characteristic equation is complex or contain power of e, this criterion cannot be applied. Like this, if in this array, if any value of the coefficient is, suppose, exponential value or complex, that means j, like j and some value, so the Raoult's criterion does not follow the system stability or does not exist. Okay. Number 3, it gives us an information as to how many roots are lying in the right hand side of the S-plane. Values of the roots are not available. It cannot distinguish between real and complex roots. This is another limitation of Raoult's array, since Raoult's stability by using Raoult's stability criterion, we cannot distinguish between real and complex roots. Okay, thank you.